Best drum machines. As music production becomes increasingly accessible, the demand for the best drum machines continues to climb among beginners, producers, and live performers. Today's drum machines offer enhanced durability, intuitive layouts, and expanded sound libraries, making them ideal for crafting professional-grade beats at home or on stage. In this guide, we evaluate key factors including machine type, build quality, interface design, sound flexibility, and overall value to help you find the perfect model for your creative workflow.
Product number 2. Korg Volca-Drum. The Korg Volca-Drum stands out with its digital percussion synthesis engine, offering a unique approach to drum creation compared to sample-based machines. Compact and battery-powered, it's perfect for producers who want a portable instrument capable of generating experimental and textured rhythms. The Volca-Drum features a 6-part layered engine, allowing deep sound design through modulation, pitch envelopes, and waveguide resonators. Despite its small size, the layout is intuitive, making it easy to navigate patterns, tweak parameters, and build loops. Its 16-step sequencer includes motion recording for capturing real-time changes, adding movement to your beats. Build quality is sturdy and reliable for travel or live use. While the small interface may require some getting used to, it rewards users with endless sonic creativity, making it ideal for electronic musicians seeking something different from traditional drum machines. Product number 2. Korg Volca-Drum. The Korg Volca-Drum stands out with its digital percussion synthesis engine, offering a unique approach to drum creation compared to sample-based machines. Compact and battery-powered, it's perfect for producers who want a portable instrument capable of generating experimental and textured rhythms. The Volca-Drum features a 6-part layered engine, allowing deep sound design through modulation, pitch envelopes, and waveguide resonators. Despite its small size, the layout is intuitive, making it easy to navigate patterns, tweak parameters, and build loops. Its 16-step sequencer includes motion recording for capturing real-time changes, adding movement to your beats. Build quality is sturdy and reliable for travel or live use. While the small interface may require some getting used to, it rewards users with endless sonic creativity, making it ideal for electronic musicians seeking something different from traditional drum machines.
Product number 3. Alesis SR16 Drum Machine. A longtime staple for musicians, the Alesis SR16 drum machine remains popular for its reliability and iconic sound set. Designed with studio-quality samples, it includes 233 realistic drum and percussion sounds, ideal for guitarists, solo performers, and producers needing classic backing rhythms. The SR16's 50 preset patterns are highly usable, and the ability to create custom patterns increases its flexibility. Its interface is clean and straightforward, perfect for those who want simplicity without sacrificing capability. Built with durability in mind, the SR16 withstands heavy usage in both studio and live settings. The machine's dynamic articulation technology adds realism, making patterns feel natural rather than mechanical. While it lacks more modern features like deep synthesis engines or USB connectivity, its consistency, great preset library, and performance-friendly layout help solidify its legacy as a dependable mid-range drum machine. Product number 4. Alesis SR18 Drum Machine. The Alesis SR18 builds on the success of the SR16 by offering more advanced sounds, expanded features, and greater performance versatility. Designed for professionals, it includes a large library of drum kits, percussion, and even bass sounds, ideal for musicians who want a complete rhythm solution in one unit. The SR18's backlit LCD and responsive pads make it user-friendly in both studio and stage settings. Its built-in effects, including reverb and EQ, provide added depth without relying on external processors. The machine also offers pattern-based programming and a flexible song mode for arranging full performances. With sturdy construction, it's built to handle frequent use. Compared to the SR16, the SR18 delivers richer sound quality and more customization options, making it the better choice for users wanting a feature-packed, workhorse drum machine with strong value. Product number 5. Pile Electronic Tabletop Digital Drum Set.
The Pile Electronic Tabletop Digital Drum Set is a beginner-friendly and versatile option for users who want a compact, all-in-one drumming solution. Featuring multiple drum pads arranged in a tabletop layout, it delivers an accessible playing experience similar to a mini electronic drum kit. The built-in speakers provide decent sound output, while the headphone jack allows for quiet practice, perfect for apartments or small spaces. It includes preset drum kits, demo songs, and the ability to record performances, making it ideal for practice sessions or casual jam setups. Its lightweight build makes it portable, though not as rugged as premium machines. USB connectivity allows it to function as a MIDI controller, expanding usefulness for music production. While not a professional-grade unit, the Pile Tabletop Set offers impressive value for beginners, kids, or hobbyists exploring rhythm performance without investing in a full drum kit.